brow pencil that I got from my local Dollar Tree. Bump these ends a little.
Hey.
I asked y'all, was y'all ready to go to the fair?
Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, hey y'all, hey. So I'm finna try this dual-ended brow pencil that I got from my local Dollar Tree for $125. It say it's a shade medium brown. I wish they had dark brown or black brown, but we're just gonna go on and try it and see. So we're finna get ready to take these kids to the fair. And of course I'm not finna put on like no full face, just something decent enough. Yeah, just something decent enough. So finna see. Come with the pen part and the spoolie. Hopefully it does a little something. Yeah, my skin is just a glowing. Let's see. Okay. It did a little something. It created that tail right there. Let me see if I can do it on this end for y'all. The lighting look a little. Y'all see that? Yeah. So it worked. Okay. I should have got like 2 of these. Just a little bit of brown. Okay, so y'all know how I feel about doing a full face and trying to talk, so, but not a full face, but you know, trying to do a little something and trying to talk. So too much. Even the smallest, doing the smallest stuff can be too much sometimes. So I didn't want to do no foundation, so I'm gonna still go in with my NYX butter glaze. I'm just gonna do a little bit. Y'all know what's crazy? I still don't know what I'm gonna do to my head. Don't have a clue. So I guess I might put this straight wig on. Feeling really weird, if that makes sense. Really, really weird. For lashes, I don't know which one I want to do. These also came from Dollar Tree. These are the soft black band strip lash by Ioni. And this is the pre-glue strip. Now I do want to try the pre-glue just to see if it's gonna stick on. Let's see if these babies gonna really be pre-glued. It got a little white clearish strip on it. So let's see. Okay. Now here's the thing. It's going on. And it went on. But if I look up and it ain't on, we're gonna have a problem. We're gonna have some serious issues. Real cute. But I really feel like I need to secure it with some glue. I really do. Because I don't want to get on a ride and that thing is just flying out. I don't even know what things are looking like inside of you. Things getting one-sided, I can't even lie to you. Yeah. What you talking about is come and see me. Come and see me once. Don't ever come to me. Don't ever come to me. Yeah. All she hit me with is come and see me once. Come and see me once. You don't ever come to me. See, I got both of them on, but when I bent this one, see how this peeling up? So yeah, nah, I knew I couldn't trust it. Oop, it pulled my eyeliner up though. Alright, putting this bead back out. Nervous, real nervous. Highly. Mustard. Hold it down. It might come together. I'm gonna have faith. Go in with low key kind of melted already. I just need my handy dandy headband. So I couldn't find neither one of my headbands. So just gonna have to do this and tie it down. Straight. Flatten out the top of the hair. Some type of heat over it to see if it will stay tamed. Okay. Spray the top. No. See how they flatten down good? And I'm gonna try to just bump these ends a little, just to see what it's gonna do. So it did what it needed to do for now. Now I'm gonna go in with my Wonder Lace Bun Tinted Milk Spray. This is looking like the final result of this wig. Alright, let me know if it's giving more tissue. Yep. So it's hot, y'all, and I still got to find some to put on.
across the board or something. I would probably had a long Tyson. I know she had some worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing. But you get real on the field and I like it. You just like my sidekick. I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never on the side. You're a real ass woman and I like it. I don't wanna fight.
How are we gonna get down there to see what's inside?
Hey, you know, I'm not supposed to be here. Talk about you like you never leave the side. I'm already tired. Yeah, I'm moving quiet. All the things we try, and let's just keep it private. Give me a seat. Let's grab my long pain. Tell me how you feel inside.
It's about to piss me off. Now I feel like I want to put some on under here, just in case I get too hot. I want to come out of it. I'm getting this. Or do I just want to do a hat?
You never believe me, so yeah, I got these for these other girls sleeping on a girl, I'm sleeping. Sometimes I'm so indecisive.
Yeah. So you ain't see my fit tag on.
We'll go see if it's a pair of them dirty pants in your clothing. I can make it go.
Oh my God, I need some more lip liner. I'm gonna put that much on. Anyway. So, this is bare minimum. Brows, concealer, highlight to, not highlight, what I'm trying to say, the, what you call, press powder, and, my NYX, butter glaze. So I have literally nothing down here. So if I want to do this, I can. Yep. So yeah, we are dressed. I still think I want to change bras just in case I get too hot. This bra right here will kind of give off like this the shirt, but I don't know yet. So we'll see. Y'all ready to go, kiddos?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened?
I asked y'all, was y'all ready to go to the fair?
Oh, yeah.
You don't seem too excited.
I do.
Because I didn't want to irritate you.
How am I gonna walk?
Mom.
I'm hurting. I appreciate it, but it's all in my knee.
Are you running?
Mama, hold on.
Get out the car.
Get out the car. That's
Get out the road. We already out the
grammar.
Get out the road.
That's your screen protector, your actual phone.
Right, anybody else want to get in? Now's a good time. We got 20 seconds to post. Uh-oh, come on in. Uh-oh, come on. Get that girl a teddy bear. Hey, you. That's right.
Is this the line for it? Huh? Babe. This the line for it?
Oh, we about to get on this? You're gonna break it. So only them four get in home?
I guess.
Get out.
Hey. Let's see it. Oakland. What was the problem?
I'm just nothing. I'm just not really. I never want to have a backside. You know, they usually have two sides.
They usually have two sides. She got a problem or something?
No.
Right there. Well, it's going around.
I was trying to make sure the line was straight. I fucked everybody up when I moved. Oh no. Too right now.
Look at Duke. Yeah, Duke had too. Miss, I ain't riding nothing. Oh, TC got dizzy, baby. What AJ? What my AJ and Cam? Oh.
Who in the pink?
Oh, yeah. Ooh. Baby, I am busy. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Send that thing, baby. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Keep going. AJ!
Woo! 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 That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
It's my favorite ride.
Oh shit. Ooh.
Sissy, you don't like it?
Mm-mm.
It's fun. Mommy, you don't like it?
I came to eat, that's all. Oh, get me off. Get me off, baby. In that shit. on around the other side.
So they on the back.
Look at Cam. You got this, Cam. Y'all make sure y'all are locked in. Hey, hey, do your hat. Hat. Zoe mad. She mad.
Ariel look at me like,
I said I got it on camera. She and Zoe was like,
I said, oh shit, goddamn.
y'all, I just got off a ride and lost my scarf. So I had to put my hood on, braid me some ponytails, and walk around here like Wednesday on a Saturday. But it's okay because I'm still cute. Which line are we finna get in? Is she getting this one? Okay. So what a pizza line? Do they have it here? He said he want his food ready when he get out the ride. I just feel like if I see somebody with my scarf on,
I know damn well everybody ain't trying to get it from me. I wasn't paying attention.
did it fall out? It ain't in my hood. I just feel like if I see somebody with my scarf on, I'm gonna stand out. Like, give it here. Alright, I finally made it home. Tired, sleepy. I'm finna try to take this wig off my head and go to bed and get ready for church in the morning, I think. Yeah. So, good night, y'all. Thank you for staying with us. So, bye, y'all.